Hello everyone, and welcome to today's presentation. I'm excited to have you here. The topic we're covering is installing applications and plugins, with a focus on instance configuration. On this first slide, I just want to give you a quick overview. We'll explore the steps involved in setting up applications and plugins effectively. So, stay tuned as we walk through the essential parts of instance configuration to help you get started smoothly. Let's dive in. Instance configuration is really the foundation of setting up a ServiceNow instance. It's all about the administrative tasks that prepare the platform for everyday business processes and organizational needs. Think of it as the initial setup that ensures everything runs smoothly from the start. This includes enabling the right applications and plugins, which are essential tools that extend the platform's capabilities. It also involves configuring key system features that are vital for your specific use case. By doing this, we make sure that workflows, modules, and records will function correctly and efficiently. Proper configuration is crucial for avoiding issues down the line. Another important aspect is maintaining security through role-based access controls, which protect sensitive data and ensure users only see what they're supposed to. It's about setting up a secure, well-organized environment that supports your organization's data management needs. Overall, instance configuration is the backbone of a reliable ServiceNow environment. It sets the stage for everything else we want to accomplish with the platform. On this slide, I want to emphasize how crucial proper instance configuration is for your ServiceNow environment. First, it ensures that your instance operates smoothly and aligns perfectly with your business needs. By activating only the necessary applications and plugins, we can boost efficiency and avoid clutter that might slow things down. This targeted approach also supports your organization's scalability and future growth, making sure your system can evolve as your business does. Improving system performance and reducing errors is another key benefit. When your instance is correctly configured, it runs more reliably, which means less troubleshooting and more productivity. And of course, security is always a top priority. Proper configuration helps maintain security, ensures compliance with regulations, and manages access controls effectively to protect sensitive data. Overall, this highlights why instance configuration isn't just a technical task. It's a foundational element that directly impacts performance, growth, security, and compliance, all of which are vital for the success of your ServiceNow deployment. Let's take a closer look at the key components involved in configuring an instance in ServiceNow. First, we have application installation. This step involves adding the necessary applications to our platform to provide the specific business modules and functionalities we need. It's like customizing a toolbox with the right tools for the job. Next, we have plugin activation. Think of plugins as extra features that can enhance the capabilities of our instance. Enabling these plugins allows us to extend what our platform can do beyond its default settings, making it more powerful and tailored to our needs. Then, there's module configuration. This is about setting up the various modules and menus in a way that aligns with our business workflows. It's essential for ensuring users can navigate and perform their tasks efficiently within the platform. Finally, role and permission setup is crucial for security. Here, we define who can access what, setting up the appropriate roles and permissions to control access and protect sensitive information. All of these components work together to ensure our ServiceNow instance is effectively prepared and managed, enabling us to deliver streamlined and secure services across the organization. Applications in ServiceNow are powerful tools that help automate various business processes directly on the platform. They are essentially collections of components like tables, forms, workflows, scripts, and modules that work together to streamline operations. These applications can be pre-built, which means they come ready to use out of the box, or they can be custom developed to fit specific organizational needs. This flexibility allows organizations to tailor solutions precisely to their workflows. Applications in ServiceNow are designed to provide functionality across different departments, such as IT, human resources, and customer service. This means that whether you're managing IT assets, handling HR requests, or supporting customer inquiries, there are applications that can help manage data, tasks, and workflows all within one integrated system. Ultimately, these applications serve as the backbone for automating and optimizing business processes, making operations more efficient and manageable across the entire organization. Applications contain various components like tables, modules, forms, and workflows, all of which work together to help manage business processes more effectively. These elements are essential because they enable us to organize and automate tasks within the system, making daily operations smoother. They may also include plugins and dependencies, which are important for adding extra features or extending the application's capabilities. This flexibility allows us to tailor applications to meet specific needs and enhance functionality. All applications are centrally managed within the ServiceNow instance, meaning everything is maintained in one place. This centralized management makes it easier to oversee updates, security, and consistency across the platform. Speaking of updates, applications support version control, which helps us keep track of changes over time and ensures smoother updates. This is crucial for maintaining stability and making improvements without disrupting ongoing processes. Finally, applications are designed to help us organize data efficiently and automate tasks in a structured way. This organization not only improves productivity, but also ensures that information is accessible and processes are streamlined, aligning perfectly with our overall goal of creating a more efficient and manageable workflow. Plugins are essentially additional features that we can use to extend the functionality of a ServiceNow instance. They allow us to add new modules, tools, and capabilities, making the platform more tailored to our specific needs. ServiceNow provides these plugins based on business requirements, so depending on what you need to accomplish, there's likely a plugin that can help. Some of these plugins are free, which makes them easy to incorporate, while others might require a license, so it's important to know the licensing details beforehand. Activating a plugin isn't just a simple click. It requires you to have admin rights or the proper roles assigned. Also, keep in mind that some plugins may have dependencies, meaning they need other plugins or components to be installed first before they can be activated successfully. Understanding how plugins work is key to customizing and optimizing your ServiceNow environment, enabling you to add features efficiently and in a controlled way that aligns with your overall platform strategy. Let's take a closer look at the different types of plugins in ServiceNow. First, we have core plugins. These are the default plugins that come with ServiceNow and are designed to support essential, standard functionalities. Think of them as the backbone of the platform, enabling core processes like incident management, problem management, and change management. They ensure that your IT services run smoothly and efficiently right out of the box. Next, we have optional plugins. These are additional tools you can activate based on your specific business needs. For example, if your organization requires IT operations management, or ITOM, or maybe human resources service delivery, HRSD, or customer service management, CSM, or even security operations, SecOps, these plugins can be turned on as needed. They give you the flexibility to customize and enhance your ServiceNow environment without overloading it with unnecessary features. Finally, there are custom or experimental plugins. These are built specifically to address unique organizational requirements. Maybe you have a particular process or a specialized function that standard plugins don't support. In such cases, you can develop custom plugins to provide tailored functionality, ensuring the platform truly fits your organization's needs. Understanding these different plugin types helps us see how ServiceNow offers both ready-to-use solutions and the flexibility to create or customize features as our organization grows and evolves. Let's talk about how we can extend the platform functionality to better support your needs. By doing so, we can significantly reduce the development effort required for custom features. This is where ready-made features come into play. They allow you to implement solutions quickly without starting from scratch. Improving automation is another key benefit, as it helps streamline your business processes and increases efficiency. Now, the real advantage of these plugins is that they support your business processes directly. They're designed to integrate seamlessly, making your workflows more efficient and easier to manage. Overall, the benefits of using plugins are clear. They extend what your platform can do, save you time and effort, and enable you to focus on what matters most, growing your business. Plugins are essential because they allow us to add new features to our ServiceNow instance easily. They help us enable the modules and functionalities that are necessary for our specific business processes. For example, if we need support for IT service management, IT operations management, or human resources service delivery, plugins make that possible. They reduce the need for custom development by providing ready-made features that we can quickly implement. This way, we can extend the platform's capabilities based on our unique requirements without reinventing the wheel. Overall, plugins are vital tools that help us tailor and expand our ServiceNow environment efficiently and effectively. Now, let's wrap things up by looking at how applications and plugins work together within a ServiceNow instance. Essentially, plugins are crucial because they help applications function properly, ensuring all features work seamlessly. It's important to only enable the applications and plugins that are actually required for your specific needs. Overloading your instance with unnecessary components can lead to complications or performance issues. Proper configuration is key. By setting everything up correctly, your ServiceNow instance will run smoothly and efficiently. Remember, the overall goal is to create a balanced, well-configured environment where applications and plugins collaborate effectively, supporting your organization's goals. This concludes our overview, emphasizing the importance of thoughtful setup and management to maximize ServiceNow's capabilities.